We are here today at MMS with Jeff and Lisa, and this is Sherman. The big blue van, Sherman.
Take a quick tour.
I'm gonna walk around the outside. Of course, he said right away he found it in New York, and I had to call BS on that because this is not a New York van. There's no rust really to look at. So we got the Thule awning. You like that awning, I bet? Yeah.
It's good because it's good for the rain too. It's not just a sun awning.
Yeah.
So it keeps the rain off.
And then tell me about it. New cabinets.
Oh yeah, this is all IKEA.
I was going to guess, but I didn't want to be insulting just in case I was wrong. If those were custom-made cabinets and I called them IKEA, yeah.
That's true. Good point. Yeah, IKEA. We got our stovetop here. We got a little sink. Just a small setup. You know, we just have a basic water jug.
Yep. Jug and jug system under the sink.
System. We haven't done anything more.
No tank under the van to deal with. That's such a headache.
Right. No solar. We just run off the battery. We don't do any really long boondocking.
Now you don't have the pop-outs, but you've kind of built it with pop-outs built into the windows here.
The windows,
and you still have some insulation on the
we're
windows.
We're looking at doing a pop-out, but as you know, it's a passenger van.
Yep.
So they don't make them.
They don't fit.
I gotta make them.
Yeah.
I did find a company, but
so your pillows are set up this way. Do you sleep east-west?
Yeah, we do. Diagonally it works. I mean, I'm 6'6" to 6'1", and my wife is pretty tall as well. So
who gets
diagonal? I get the far side. I get squeezed against the doors.
Yep. I was good. Yep. The sacrifices we make.
And we did a little roof deck on top with a solar shower.
Yeah, I saw that when you're driving up. That keeps the water nice and warm up there, I assume.
It does, as long as it's a sunny day.
Yep.
The last one we did was in the Great Smoky Mountains, and it was cloudy for 3 days, so it was a little chilly. But
yeah, and your groundwater up here is cold. Down there, 72 degrees out of the ground, so we don't, a cold shower is still a warm shower.
Still warm. Good point.
But here, what's your groundwater is probably what, in the 60s or low 60s probably. So yeah, cold shower. Cold.
Cold is cold.
XM radio.
Yes.
Yep. I gotta have mine
when we're going cross country.
Absolutely.
So, but yeah, you see the name right on there, Sherman.
Sherman, right on the tag. So when you spot him on the roads, jump back on YouTube and say, hey,
what's up?
We saw Jeff and Lisa. Tell us where you saw them. All right, so what do we got going on back here in the garage? We got lots of destinations in the garage. That's what I'm seeing.
Oh, yeah. That's everywhere we've been with this van over the last 3 years. Everywhere from Montana down to
Shenandoah, Watkins Glen, Arches,
Kentucky,
Devil Tower,
down to Arkansas, Tennessee,
Harper's Ferry, Mount Rushmore. There's one I haven't been to, Mount Rushmore.
Yeah.
Neat.
Good stuff.
We're making our donations to the national park stores.
We got our cooler slide.
Oh yeah.
Again, basic. No solar, no refrigerator, but we got the basic, all the basic necessities, and then the all-important parts and tools.
Oh yeah.
Hanging up in there. Lots of parts, lots of tools.
Gotta have it just in case. The more you have, the less you need.
That's right. Check that out. So, good idea if people have an alternative way to store their propane.
Oh yeah.
We have a
Water
boat hatch,
tank,
watertight, airtight.
Floor vented, I'm sure.
Yes, it is.
Well, yeah. Awesome.
In just a few seconds, you should see a few links, including a couple to our latest videos and one to our Patreon page where you can join a membership and start taking advantage of member benefits while you help support Florida Van Man and keep these videos coming.